Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find social media communities on the Matchmasters application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. If you click to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen, you can find this bar and just click to the join us option under the news. And here you can find different social media communities on the Messenger, Facebook, Discord, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok and Instagram threads. And if you want to check one, just click to the next arrow and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.